Hi, today is Tuesday, July 4th, 2023. I am sitting at my desk at home. I am about to go to work now. Since it's raining outside, I have to drive my car to my workplace. Otherwise, I would just walk on foot. That's 4 kilometers one way and 8 kilometers both way. Before I go, I would like to understand what kind of electricity distribution types are there in the United States. So this article is from WPPI Energy. And as usual, I am trying to read an English article each day, and this is it. I'm trying to learn English by reading an article each day. Here we go. WPPI Energy, Fundamentals of Electricity, Delivery Distribution System, Types of Distribution Systems, Radial, Loop, and Network Systems. There are three basic types of distribution system designs: radial, loop, or network. As you might expect, you can use combinations of these three systems, and this is frequently done. The radial distribution system is the cheapest to build and is widely used in sparsely populated areas. A radial system has only one power source for a group of customers. A power failure, short circuit, or a downed power line would interrupt power in the entire line, which must be fixed before power can be restored. Power failure, short circuit, or a downed power line. A loop system, as the name implies, loops through the service area and returns to the original point. The loop is usually tied into an alternate power source. By placing switches in strategic locations, the utility can supply power to the customer from either direction. If one source of power fails, switches are thrown automatically or manually, and power can be fed to the customers from the other source. That's good. If one source of power fails, switches are thrown automatically or manually, and power can be fed to customers from the other source. Switches are thrown. That's good expression. Here, switches are thrown automatically or manually. The loop system provides better continuity of service than the radial system, with only short interruptions for switching. In the event of power failures due to faults on the line, the utility has only to find the fault and switch around it to restore service. The fault itself can then be repaired with a minimum of customer interruptions. Switch around it to restore service. The fault itself can then be repaired with a minimum of customer interruptions. The loop system is more expensive than the radial because more switches and conductors are required. But the resultant improved system reliability is often worth the price. Resultant improved system reliability is often worth the price. Network systems are the most complicated and are interlocking loop systems. A given customer can be supplied from 2, 3, 4, or more different power supplies. Obviously, the big advantage of such a system is added reliability. However, it is also the most expensive. For this reason, It is usually used only in congested, high load density municipal or downtown areas. Congested, high load density municipal or downtown areas. Uh-huh. Yep. High load density areas. Loop system. That's a loop system. Radial, and network systems.